Hey, hello guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. You're welcome back to Lady G channel. So I'm back again with another video. Wetin I wan talk today na about wetin just happen recently 2 or 3 or 4 days ago when e happen for Onitsha. This tanker driver, when he carry fuel, when he explode. During the process, many people lose their lives. So first I say may the souls of those one when they lose their life rest in peace. So when I watch the video and when I see the something really make me feel bad. I feel sad. I say wetin make this thing dey happen frequently for Nigeria? Wetin make this thing dey occur every time? This one not be the first time when tanker don explode for Nigeria. I will make this I will talk this thing be say may I not talk say only Nigerians, especially Nigerians anyway, but mostly Africans, all Africans. Any small thing when e happen, the next thing they go dey catch enemy, dey catch witches and wizards. Some little things dey when be say we will apply our common sense, apply wisdom. We go do am the way we see, even when we know say this something wey we dey do, this something e no follow road, this something e no right, we go still do am like that. And when the thing don get k-leg or e don dabaru, the next thing we go dey call enemies. I no know wetin make am e be like that. This tanker when e explode, so if you don watch the video, you see am before this tanker explode. E no just explode immediately. The something be like say e first fall for pothole, or e get some up and down, get some things when e happen. They come be like say the tanker e bend, e come be like say e fall or e won't fall. I don't know, as they take show am for the video. Then you go see am people dey rush, dey go there with plate, bucket and different things, go dey fetch the fuel when they throw away for inside. You see where people dey rush, they dey fetch fuel like say na water na im dey throw away. So wetin I see for this something, when I really see people when they rush towards this something, I dey vex. I say why e be say we no dey wan take things the way e be. So the thing wey be say e go out of track, na we dey want follow. And when the thing don get as e be, we go dey call government. We go dey say na the government no do this one. We go dey talk say na witches and wizards na do this one. Okay, even small pikin when they born today, as far as that pikin don dey grow come, e don get small sense, e don get sense, e don know say fuel na something wey dey very dangerous. People when e go dey fetch this fuel because say this tanker get small problem, all of them dey rush dey go say they go dey fetch this fuel. Before they enter that place, they drag themselves, they fetch fuel. Something no tell them for their brain say this something wey they do that is dangerous, say anything fit happen at any time. You no fit tell me say they no know say this explosion when e happen, they no know, because this one no be the first time when tanker don fall for Nigeria. This one no be the first time when tanker don explode for Nigeria. E don happen in many process, and na the same way when e end up now. Na so e still take dey end up. When people dey drag, they dey fetch fuel, they dey drag to fetch fuel. At the end of the day, something must happen. Maybe at the end of the day, the tanker will come explode. People dey run up and down. Some go fit make am, some no go fit make am. So people never fit still get sense of this same thing when e don happen. No be first time, no be second time, no be third time. E don happen a lot of time for Nigeria. Wetin make people no wan apply wisdom for things, common things wey e be say if you apply wisdom, this something e go dey very easy, but they go say they wan go the other way around. Why are we like this? Okay, this something happen now. Apart from say I don watch the video, I don see read some comments on people mind and things when they dey talk. Most of them dey talk say this something wey happen now no be ordinary, this one na work of enemy, this one na set up, this one na this one. How e take be work of enemy? This one na first time when e don happen for Nigeria. No be only Nigeria, no be this thing dey happen. No be only Nigeria dey happen. The only place where you go know say this something no dey frequent, wey no dey happen like that, which is e dey very difficult before this kind thing fit take place, na be Europe for here. Europe, this kind thing no fit happen like this. People go just lose their life. E go hard. I never even hear sef. I never hear. The one wey I don see, when I don hear for Europe here, as far as I'm concerned, when be say tanker don explode or something come happen, maybe e dey for highway, that is e drive comot for track, e go hit something. E drive comot for track, e go hit something. Then maybe at that process now, explosion will come take place. Now that one me the wetin me I don see. E no fit just happen the way e be say tanker dey pass market where everybody dey pass. Can you just imagine that? For here, most of una when they watch this video now, if e be say you don go driving school here, you go understand more wetin I dey talk. For here, every road wey dem do for here, every road wey dem tie, dey get cars wey dey go fit pass that road, and every road get weight of car when e go fit pass that road. You go ask me say, how person wan come take weigh car when e be say e go pass road? Yes, if you buy car, your particulars and everything, the capacity, the thing wey the car dey weigh and everything, they dey write am for there. So when they do this road for here, the cars wey go pass am, dem say na this category of this car na im go fit pass this place. Na this one na im no go fit pass am. These tankers, heavy truck, you no fit just see them for around community, or they just dey pass all this small small village or community like that because they wan drive. E no fit happen for here like that. If you eventually say you see any tanker or any truck when e carry load, you come see am say e dey pass una street and e dey pass inside this small small community like that, you go know say e dey pass with special order, e dey pass with special report. E no fit just pass. E get wetin e wan go deliver, if na truck, or e wan go deliver fuel, if na fuel tanker, maybe filling station dey around that area when e wan go deliver this something, and dem go put the time and when e go pass the something, and after e don do that something finish, e go take off. You no fit just dey waka around the street or the community like that. No fit just dey drive pass. If police see you, the first thing, they go control your paper to see say who give you order to pass this road at this time. You go bring the something. If e be say the time when dem give you don expire, you are a hot soup, they go find you and you go enter problem. That is Europe for you. Why is it like that? Because it's well organized. But Nigeria, or if we go that side, na different case. Because of the way they organize things for here, that make you see say all these celebrities, our celebrities when they dey Nigeria, even all the government when we say they no gree repair Nigeria, they no gree organize things, because they know the way here take dey organize. That make any small thing na here na they run dey come. But for Nigeria, road when motor go pass, na trailer go pass, na truck go pass, na bicycle go pass, maruwa e dey for there, all of them dey pass the same road. And by the time when all of them don dey pass this road get weight when e go fit carry, because na quota. If dem do road, you see am say when you never drive, una press am, no go see am say hole go enter, because na quota. So for the fact say e don dry, even though when e don dry, e still get the capacity of weight when e go fit still carry. So when all these excess things don pass am, now you go see am say if dem do road for Nigeria, e no go reach 2 months before you know it, now all of them don scatter, pothole don enter, gallop don enter, everywhere don jaga jaga, everywhere go scatter scatter. All na because of lack of organization. All na still refer to our government, because if we get good government, they go know how to organize all those things. At least, even though they don't know, that they come here, that they see the way that they organize it, they'll take example from here. They can follow their system for Nigeria. Even though say na not be 100%, at least they go get 70. But no one really cares. No one really cares. Motor no fit truck or fuel tanker, e no fit just dey waka for street like that for here. E no fit waka, e no fit happen. It's not done. Okay, you just imagine now. Even still get one way don first still happen for this same, whether na Onitsha for Igbo land like that, don first still see am when it happen. Fire service, people dey shout, where our firefighter? Where our firefighter? Then people started to throw pure water to off fire for tanker, fuel tanker, pure water. Then they shout. Even for this one when it happen now, you will hear for the background, we cannot find our firefighter. Una still dey think say we get firefighter. I don't know why Nigerians no wan understand. Which firefighter? Where you put the firefighter? For the fact say they call that name firefighter, come me say e really dey. How many you don't see with your eye? But when budget come, they calculate all of them for budget. This one na salary when they go pay them. This one na salary for this one. But we no dey see anyone. And again, if you wan still talk am, this something wey happen for Onitsha now. People, I know say many people dey call government, apart from say that they call witches and wizards, which I know say that one na out of frustration. Now I think they talk that one. Some people even talk say na hunger, or na hunger na make people go there, go dey risk their life for fuel. I no agree with that word. Hunger no mean say you no go use your common sense. Hunger no mean say person sense don lost. Okay, for the fact say hungry dey kill you, if you see river, you go open your eye korokoro, then you go jump put. When you know say you no sabi swim, you no be fish. If you enter inside, you know say you go peme, you go enter inside, then you go talk say na hunger. Hunger dey already dey result to when person be say hungry don kill am, e no know wetin e wan do again. E say e wan end the life, e wan end the self. Na that one go know say maybe na hunger and frustration na im lead that person. But this one now, these people when these things happen to now, hunger no tell them say make dem end it all. They go dey risk their life. One, I know say hungry out of poverty, I know say out of greediness. Because most of them think say when they take this fuel, they go fit sell am 100 naira will come out, 200 naira will come out. Even sef, most of them dey even dey pray make tanker fall so that they go see chance go dey fetch fuel. But you when you go there, when tanker fall, tanker fuel dey throw away like say water. Something don tell you for your mind say this something na deadly mission. This place when I dey go so, I fit make am, fit no make am. Government no need to come tell you. Government no need to come tell you. Make you use your common sense. I know the government is bad, but government no be dey remote your sense. Say how you go take see something when be say e no right, you go still chook your head put. So my people, I don't know how una see this something, because when I see am, this something e tire me. Government when e dey power, they still get, I know say anything wey happen na bubu hand na everything dey. People dey always dey talk say bubu because e no organize Nigeria well. Yes, na bubu, and I know say before bubu come, Nigeria don already first it dabara. Only say na e come make am the worst. Anyone when e come, e go make am worst. Even as bubu comot now, if another one still come now, maybe e go still make am worst. We no even pray for that one. But this government when be say dem dey now, since dem no go fit handle everything, na that one make dem put local government chairman, governor for each state, because no be their everything, no be their eye go reach, no be dem go fit do. They have to put small people for the small place when be say dem go dey take care of the community, dey take care of the state. So if the something pass their hand or see problem when be say na dem go carry the matter go give the main government, which is bubu and a co-member. But sometimes if all these people they no voice out, this governor and the local government chairman or whatever, they no talk out, bubu no go fit just know everything when they happen. If it be say sometimes e still fit answer them if they come. Maybe the local government chairman, since they say na national cake, everybody they gather e own put for a pocket, nobody really say about the masses. They go only go there, present the case, they give them wetin they will take resolve the case, then they go pocket everything. Then the poor people go dey suffer. So why e be like this for Nigeria? Me, I don't know, and I don't know when this something will come to an end, when they will resolve this something. Igbo people, they say that they fight for their own freedom, that they fight for Biafra. If Biafra come, the question me they ask, if Biafra come, the people when they rule Igbo land now, they go comot all of them, they go disqualify all of them, put new people entirely. I been these same people, because if na these same people when e dey, because person dey when e dey for that Anambra when be their governor, whether na Obiaro, wetin be, whether na Obiaro that they call am something like that, e dey there. So if they get their freedom at last and these same people still dey, now the same old story. Now we go see dey hear. The same economical problem, the same old story. Now we go see dey hear. E no go make any difference. So wetin make we no try? I know say the government they are bad, but why we not still try apply our common sense, use our wisdom to prevent some things when we know say this one. Even though say I know say when I dey go, I don't pass my boundary, government no go talk for this one. Now my common sense now go use. Why we not doing like that? You just imagine the people when be say they lost their life. Some people when be say they lost their lives, that not be people. If you be say some of them, not be people when be say they go to fight for food. So now when they did their house, when they did for markets and different places, when they did nearby, maybe those people now they're not even involved for. They're not involved join people when they fetch the something. Maybe the ones when even they fetch the something when it cause the something, they see head stay wrong come out. The one when you don't know anything, now you can't take head talk on. Especially the small children when be say if you be say they're involved. Now that one be the one when pay me well for his side. Why can't we apply wisdom? Why can't we use our common sense so that things go move forward. Not be everything say we dey call government. There are some things that when be say yes na their fault. There are some things that when be say e don reach extent when be say this one na our hand e dey. This fuel explosion tanker e dey happen before. E don happen many times for Nigeria. If you watch video, you go YouTube, you go e full there. So person no fit tell me say e no get awareness, e no know whether this thing dey happen, e no know whether if this thing happen e go result to this extent. They know. But out of greediness, they still won't try their luck. You just imagine that. It can never happen here. It can never happen. It can never happen in Europe. It can never. And if eventually say something like that happen, sef, e no go reach under. If e happen, e no go reach under 2 minutes. E no go reach 1 minute. Firefighter, they don't stand for your back. E go be like say they even dey there, they wait, maybe something happen. They don't stand for your back. That is Europe for you. Even their ambulance, if na headache dey worry you, before you call ambulance, say this person e dey that is this person e don dey that is e don dey out of order, or this person e don dey fail o, see wetin dey happen o. Before you dey drop the phone, they don press your bell, they don press your switch off phone, ambulance, they don come rush you. So all these things no dey get time. Why all those things be like this? Because here it's back up with law. Upon all these things wey still dey happen, oyibo people sef they will still dey complain say their government e bad, e no good. They need to come to our own make dem see how far. They go so still dey complain. But we went before foreigners so e dey here. We dey enjoy am because we know the privilege wey we get. So I dey very sorry for wetin happen. May the soul of those one when he lost their life, may they rest in peace. E don happen. So na just to advise the ones wey be say dem dey now, make dem still take sense, so that this kind thing we no pray make e happen again. If e be say e happen, dem go get sense. If you no get sense, una don see the result wetin go happen. So na here na I go dey round up my video, my people, for today. If more updates still dey for this matter, I go still let una know. So for now, I will say take care of yourself. But before I go, please, I would like you to subscribe to this my channel. If today na your first time when you dey watch this my video, if you never subscribe, and for those of you when you don already first subscribe, I say thank you. God will bless you big, and God will definitely increase you in every aspect of your life. And again, you can share this video, you can like it, you can subscribe to it for more updates, so that anytime when I upload new video, you will just get that message for your phone say I don't put new video. So my people, now here I go dey roll up. For now I say ciao ciao.